in the 6. Wow. Next up, Jamie Lopes and Jason GEERMAN. Again, folks, Jason GEERMAN. Still has no clue how he pulled off a perfect reaction time last night. And Mike Sweeney, his career best, 6:49, did that in the fall in Maryland. And he's racing home this weekend. Now Mark Rendeluk has been as quick as a 6:31. Third quickest all time. So here we go. Mike Sweeney out of Connecticut, Mark Rendeluk out of for the second time. So here we go, Rocky Bonitatis with his dad, Ronnie Bones here. Ronnie Bonitatis, one of the legends. Motorcycle drag race up in Church, around Atco and Englishtown, and he's done it all. The bump right now, 699. Like I said, that 640 with a 70 ran earlier today. Quickest run of his career, Justin Shaker. Not far off his career best. Brewer left side, Brad Christian on the right. And Brad went his career best earlier at 6:68.0. Kenny Brewer's career best at 6:47.7. So you got KB on the left, B-Rad on the right. At 226 miles per hour for years. Beasley has to go quicker than a 699 with a 0 to get in. And that would bump out Dylan Newman. best.